In today's challenging and competitive work context, the capacity to influence and convince others is an increasingly vital management talent. Thus, everyone should learn about the benefits that knowledge and implementation of influencing and persuasion principles may have on managers, employees, and organizations. Managers that are able to influence and convince others at work can affect the people's performance for the better. The role of managers has changed from just being responsible for the delivery of work and the day-to-day management of their team members to creating opportunities for companies to grow their business. According to Aristotle, successful influencers strive to blend three criteria in order to achieve the goal of moving people from A to B. First, ethos relates to the source credibility of the influencer and their sincerity that exudes from them. Second, pathos relates to the stirring of the emotion in other people. In other words, to have empathy. And third, logos, which refers to the actual words used by the influencer. This includes stories, quotations, and facts. Effective influencing means to show open respect for the value, needs, and desires of others, affirm these with them, and then offer these to them in a mutually beneficial package. Being influential at work may help you to be a better leader and achieve business objectives, convincing and persuading peers to support your aims and ideals. Your ability to influence people to embrace your beliefs. Leaders may use influence to encourage employees and increase team productivity. Increased sales, connection with important organizations, and greater self-esteem are all benefits of mastering good influencing abilities.